Welcome. In this video I'll show how to block my number on Android. So first of all, make sure that your carrier or mobile operator allows for hiding your caller ID. Otherwise you won't be able to do that, unfortunately. Anyway, once you have made that sure or confirmed that, launch the Phone by Google app on your smartphone. Then open the app settings, go into the calling accounts, or calling accounts should be. Yep. Select the SIM card you would like to hide your number from, go into the additional settings, and here open the caller ID selection, which you can, or I can personally set between network default, hide number, or show number. So now select hide number, and that's it. Your caller ID or your phone number is now blocked to whomever you are calling. Now there is additional method which won't work all the time, but you can still give it a shot. So before dialing someone's number, dial the *76 code in front of it, then just dial numbers you would normally, and that should also give you the private or blocked caller ID appearance, should I say, or displayment. Anyway, as far as this video goes, that'll be it. So should you have any further questions, leave them in the comment section below. But as for now, thanks for watching, and bye bye.